Hi there, I'm going to do a room tour for you, staying here at the Innside Hotel in Ibiza in San Antonio Bay. So that's the Innside Hotel in San Antonio, Ibiza. Been here for a few days, so I thought I'd do a room tour to give you sort of like an insight to what it looks like in the hotel room. Okay, so as you walk into the door here, from the outside here, you've got the wardrobe space. So there's a safe there, as you can see, and then other shelves where we've got our basically like bits and pieces. So I'm just going to show you an idea how much room space you've got there. More space up here which is unused, and then down here you've got like the coat hangers and stuff like that. If I remember rightly, I think it was about 10 coat hangers that came with the room, so if you need more, which I think we needed, you need to pretty much probably ask for them, but they didn't have many coat hangers, but other than that it's fine. So down below you see some shoes space and stuff like that, bits and pieces. But yeah, so this is your clothing area where you put your stuff. So into the main room here, this is a double stroke twin. As you can see here, beds they're not too bad. It's summertime here, or September-ish, end of summertime still. I think there's only one sheet. I think we had to ask for an extra pillow because it only came with one pillow. They're not the best pillows in the world, but it works. So I think we went to reception and got an extra pillow, and they brought them up straight away. As your usual stuff, the aircon is pretty good in terms of it keeps the room very cool. You get 2 cards, which I'll show you here, as in room cards, so you can leave one straight all the time in the slot here, so even when you leave, you can have the electricity, the aircon working, and so when you come back, it'll be nice and chilled out and you don't lose any electricity. So a couple of drawers to the side of each bed. I think there's only one plug, if I remember rightly, per side. So used to charge your phone and stuff like that. You've got a little side lamp here. Okay. Long mirror, there's me. Just look at yourself before you go out. Suitcases, they don't go under the bed, so this is the only place we could find them. TV, actually quite good really. We've not watched the what's the one I'm looking for, the Spanish channels, but you do have Wi-Fi in the room, so you can actually cast from your phone if you want to watch YouTube and stuff like that. So I found that very useful because we do watch a lot of YouTube, and so you can just cast it for your phone using the Wi-Fi that's in the room, which is perfect. Lamp here, I don't think we've used that before. Some more stuff for bedside bits and pieces. I think that's a phone. I don't think we've ever used it, so I'm not sure what that's all about. Most probably for reception. There's a chair here. I'm thinking it kind of collapses down into a bed if you've got a third person that needs to stay in the room. That's my understanding. And then you've got the balcony here. It was actually quite nice, really. I'm not going to open the door because it means that the aircon's going to go off. So you can see there. To our left is the sea, and I don't think this hotel has like a room that's facing the sea. I think they're all kind of the balconies face to the side. So that's the balcony. Plenty of privacy in there. No one really bothers you, so that's really quite good. Yeah, decent sized space. So we put our washing out there as well to dry off. So here we've got a fridge, empty fridge. So I think we've pretty much stocked it up ourselves to put your stuff in there. Water. There is a shop across the road, one of those spa shops. They're really good. And then that kettle there, it doesn't belong to the hotel. We actually brought our own kettle because we're sad and we like to have drink a cup of tea in the morning and maybe a last thing at night. This is like a bar thingy bob, so you can put biscuits and drinks and stuff, as you can see, and crap. So that's good. So that's that, and then to our left here is the bathroom. Really nice bathroom as it goes. It's only got one sink unit in this particular room. Showers were really nice, decent sized space. Comes with toiletries, as you can see there, but we always bring our own. Decent mirror in front of you again, and as I said, one sink unit only. Comes with a bidet and one toilet, and also has towels which are included as well, and always changed on a daily basis when they clean the room. And for anyone who needs a hairdryer, I've not used it before because I haven't got any much hair, in fact I haven't got any hair at all, so there's a hairdryer if you need one. Yeah, so the shower's very good. In fact, it's one of those like rainfall type showers, nice and powerful, does a very good job. You can close it like this so if you need your privacy. Yeah, so that's that. So that's pretty much it, I think. I don't think I've forgotten anything. Yeah, so this is the inside in Ibiza, San Antonio. We're staying there for I think about 5 days. For the price, can't really complain. It's functional, does the job. Clean and tidy. Really nice people at the hotel as it goes. I think breakfast was included, but we booked it on booking.com, so you're going to have to figure that one out. But yeah, staff are very nice here. Yeah, so this is the room, as I said, inside Ibiza, San Antonio. So if you're going to do recommend staying there, it's not a bad place to stay at all. And so I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you again soon.